Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In last tutorial, we are going to discuss the introduction part of the butterfly. Today, we are going to discuss it is a body of the butterfly. So this is a 3D diagram. So in 3D diagram, the body part, which is the diagram, is given over here. The front view, top view, and side view is given. Now how to start this view? So the student are get confused that the starting from the sketch. So you can start a front view, top view, and side view, but whenever you have to start any view from over here, you have to think about that which command how to apply for the next one. So now if you start this, the front view is a section view is given. It's very difficult over here. Instead of that, I'll start from the top view. I'll design it is a circle, and the circle dimension is given. It is a radius in terms of 140. So first I will draw this one, and from the middle plane I make it the extrude. The height of that height is given 225 in both sides. So first I'll go to the tool and I'll change that is a unit. So unit is not given in a diagram, so I'll be assume that it will be all are in mm. I'll change it is unit is millimeter and angle is a degree. I'll keep it is in a kilogram. Apply close. Now next one is I start from the sketch. So I take any one plane over here and I'll draw the circle. The circle dimension is 140. So 140 is a radius is given and multiply into 2. So I call it is radius. So now I finish the sketch and I'm making it is both sides it will be extruded, because you can see that a plane over here is in the middle. So I will making it is extruding both sides, and the height is 225. So both side and it is 225. Press OK. Now the next one, I draw this circle. You can see this circle over here. So where required the plane, so I'll take the plane. This plane I will take from over here, and I'll draw that it is a circle dimension, and that circle dimension will be it is a given it is 200 and the distance is 160. Okay, I'll take this plane, I create a sketch, and from the center point, because the center point will given. Now I'll go to the view command and I change it is a wireframe, and sketch I will draw it is a it is 200 mm. So you can see that it is a in between over here. Now I will do it is a extrude. Okay, there is a plane now right now over here, and the distance is given from this point to up to over it is a 160. So we'll do the extrude, and it is 160 the distance. If you want to go to the in a shaded view, so it will look like this. Okay, so next, so similarly in a back side, you can see this there is a back side. The circle dimension is given, and that circle dimension you can see over here from this point. Okay, in that point we can see that overlay. Okay, that circle is given 75, and dimension from this point to not up to this one. This is not distance. The distance is given over here. Okay, from here to here we know the distance is 160. Now to only the minus of that distance means what 325 minus 160 will get that the distance from here to here. Okay, so now the dimension is 75. Again I will take the same plane in, but I will extrude in opposite direction. plane is the same, and I'll go to the sketch. Again I'll to go to the wireframe mode, and I'll draw the circle. Our dimension is given, it is 75. Okay, finish the sketch. Now I have to go to the extrude in opposite direction. Okay, because in opposite, only the distance is, you have to remember that is a 160 is a distance from up to here. Okay, but I require a distance is from here to this point. Okay, so that I can minus 325 minus 160. Opposite direction, it is 325 minus 160. Press OK. Now if you go to the view command and you go to the shaded, so this part is over now. So next one, there is a hole. You can see this one. There is a hole. The distance is from this point to up to here, it is 3 times, and that hole size is given this one, and that hole is it a 56.2. That one, I select the plane. This is my plane, and the circle dimension is, it is 56.2, and it is a hole. So I'll go to, it is a, again it is a revolve command, sorry, extrude command, and opposite direction, it is a cut over here. Now over here you have to start from this point to up to this one, that is 310 is given over here in the diagram. Okay, and if you see this one, the 310 is exactly, it will be, the distance is gap, you can see over here. Okay, so that is a cut, and okay, so you can see that there is a hole over here. Okay, similarly another hole is there, and that distance is up to, is a 25 mm, and that hole dimension is given over here, and that dimension is diameter of 100. So again the same plane I am going to select, and the circle dimension is, it is 100. Finish the sketch and extrude, it is cut, and the dimension is given, it is 25. Okay, now the half portion is over. Only that we can directly go to the that main hole. In this hole I am going to create. Okay, so reason that I am not created first, because of that, if you create it and after you do it, this all the operation, then what happens is, in inside there is the extrude will be occur only. For that reason, first I will make it this command, I make it whole command and extrude command. After that, this final hole I am doing that, that dimension is 194. So whenever you have to design, you have to check that. So how to start the design diagram is very important, the factor over here. Now it is 194. Sorry, it is sketch, and circle dimension is 194. Finish the sketch, and I make it the extrude, cut, and the distance is all. Okay, so this is our initial, it is here, object is over. Now only the remaining is, you can see this, the remaining part is this one, so we have to finish this one. So for that one, you have to check out that I'll create first this view. Okay, next I'll give the extrude. The extrude dimension is given is the, you can see that extrude dimension, and that extrude dimension from here to this point, it is 32 is given. Next using that is a circular pattern, I'll create a remaining two, and the same it will be replica to the over here, and then I use the mirror command. So first I will create that opposite to the this one. Okay, so I have to select the plane in a such a way that there is a carefully you have to select the plane. So I will create the plane. So this is my plane. Okay, from here to the opposite means your diagram is like this now. Okay, now this is over here, and opposite you have to create this this one. Okay, so this is opposite one, this one over here. So now, so what I will do is highlight this plane. Already it is highlighted yellow color. So from the highlighted I will create a one circle. Okay, next they given the dimension from this point to over here, and that circle dimension is 175. So I'll take that is a circle from here, and that circle dimension is it is given a 47, and the distance is in between from here to here is 175. Next, the circle is similar another circle which is R50. Means R50 means the radius of diameter is 100, and using the tangent command I'll close over here. Okay, there is a line, and similarly over here also I'll close it. Next, I'll go to the eraser trim command, and unwanted I'm going to remove it. Okay, so only this part is I required only. Finish the sketch, and the sketch is ready. So I have to make it a extrude. The extrude is 32. It is downward direction, and it is 32. Press OK. Now one is over. Similarly, how to make it a remaining one. That I will go to the is a circular pattern. In a circular pattern, asking the feature. This is my feature. Next, the axis. I take this one is the axis, and how much is required? It is total 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and press OK. And similar, it will be replica to in a bottom. So for that one, I'll go to the design again. The mirror command. For that one, first I'll activate it is a plane. So now you can see that the plane automatically come to the in the middle only. Why? Because from the starting, I take this is the body part, extrude in both sides. That's why this now plane is becoming the middle only. So I take the visibility is on, and I select it is a mirror command. I take this, and the mirror is your plane is, and okay. Okay. So now the almost is the part is over. So only have to hide this plane which is not required. The next only the last command I have to go for that one, that is a hole. You can see that there is a hole size, and the hole size is given which is a distance of 20.3. Okay, there are three places, and BCD is given 150. Okay, and depth is 15 mm. Okay, so now I'll create a 20.3 hole size. 20.3 mesh. The distance is, it is from here to here is given 150. So So 150 means I'll take it as half, it is radius. Okay, 150 is the diameter is given, but we require it is a radius is required, and similarly it is replica to the in a circular pattern. Okay, so that is number of is 3 circular pattern. Geometry, take the geometry by this one, and axis point over here, and total it is 3. Okay, finish the sketch and go to that is the extrude. Select proper geometry, and it is cut, and cut distance is 15 is depth. Press OK. Okay. So now the complete your object is finished. Okay, object is finished now here. So you can see over there. So the last one is have to make the material. In the introduction we discussed that the body part is made of it is a cast iron. So I change it is a material, it is a cast iron. Okay, this is my cast iron. Okay, apply, close. Okay, so this is my final body. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we will discuss the next part.